The rapid SARS-CoV-2 antigen test card is an easy-to-use COVID test that is available over the counter. In this video, you will learn how to use the rapid SARS-CoV-2 antigen test card. Before you begin, please take a moment to read the full instructions in the box. For the single test, the test kit contains one test card in a sealed pouch, one swab, one test tube with pre-filled buffer, and one instruction sheet. You will also need a timer, which is not included in the test. To prepare for the test, wash your hands thoroughly or use a hand sanitizer. Check the package contents and expiration date. Do not use a damaged or expired test. Bring the test kit to room temperature when you are ready to begin the test. First, take out all the components and put them down on a flat, clean table. Remove the seal from the buffer tube and place the tube in the holder at the back of the box. Open the swab package at the stick end and remove the swab. Be careful not to touch the soft fabric tip of the swab. To collect your nasal sample, insert the entire soft tip into one nostril for about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. You do not need to go deeper. Slowly rotate the swab in a circular motion 5 times by firmly pressing against the inside walls of the nostril for a total of 15 seconds. Gently take out the swab and repeat the same process in the other nostril using the same swab. Place the swab inside the buffer tube. Rotate the swab for 5 times. Set a timer and leave the swab in the buffer tube for 1 minute. Pinch the buffer tube with fingers and remove the solution from the swab as much as possible. Dispose of the swab in household trash. Press the cap onto the buffer tube until it is secure and leave on the tube holder. Next, open the pouch and remove the test card. Lay the test card on a flat and level table. Once opened, the test card must be used within 1 hour, or otherwise may result in inaccurate results. To perform the test, invert the buffer tube and add 3 drops of the test sample into the sample well by gently squeezing the extraction tube. Keep the card faced up on the table. Set a timer and read your result at 15 minutes. You should not read the result before 15 minutes or after 30 minutes. Now let's interpret your results. You will see 2 letters in the test window. C stands for control line, which indicates whether the test has been performed properly. T stands for test line and shows if the test detects virus in the sample. If you observe only the C line and the T line does not appear, your result is negative. This means that the virus was not detected in your sample. However, even if your test is negative, continue to follow our hygiene and safety measures. If you observe both the C line and the T line, it means that your result is positive. Look carefully at the test window. Even a faint T line is a positive result. This means that the virus was detected in your sample and it is very likely that you have COVID-19. If you get a positive result, please follow your local quarantine guidelines and contact your healthcare provider. You may be asked to confirm your result with a PCR test. You can also visit cdc.gov for more information. If the control line does not appear, the result is invalid. If possible, you will need to repeat the test on another test card. After you complete the test, throw away all test components in household.